Your check engine light is on, and your scanner just pulled up a P0128 code. This code means your engine is not reaching the correct operating temperature within the expected time window. It usually points to a simple cooling system fix rather than an expensive engine repair. Here are 7 common causes and exactly how to fix each one at home. Stuck open thermostat. The thermostat is a temperature-controlled valve between the engine and the radiator. Its job is to stay closed until the engine reaches operating temperature, forcing coolant to circulate only inside the block. When the thermostat fails, stuck in the open position, coolant flows to the radiator constantly and the engine never fully warms up. The PCM monitors coolant temperature and logs P0128 when the engine stays too cool for too long. How to fix it? Start the engine and feel the upper radiator hose with your hand after 5 minutes. If it gets warm too quickly, the thermostat is stuck open. A replacement thermostat costs between $8 and $25 and takes about 30 minutes to install. Always replace the thermostat gasket at the same time to prevent coolant leaks. Failing coolant temperature sensor. The coolant temperature sensor measures engine coolant temperature and sends the reading to the PCM. Its job is to report accurate values so the PCM knows when the engine has warmed up. When the sensor drifts out of calibration or fails, it reports a temperature lower than actual. The PCM then logs P0128 even though the engine is actually at normal operating temperature. This cause is often overlooked by drivers. How to fix it? Connect an OBD2 scanner and check the live coolant temperature reading after 10 minutes of running. Normal temperature should read between 185 and 210 degrees Fahrenheit. If the scanner reads far below that, while the temperature gauge on the dash shows normal, the sensor is faulty. A replacement coolant temperature sensor costs between $6 and $18. Low coolant level. Coolant circulates through the engine to transfer heat away and maintain operating temperature. Its job is to keep the engine from overheating while holding enough volume to warm up predictably. When the coolant level is low from a slow leak or evaporation, the remaining fluid warms up and cools down inconsistently. The engine may struggle to reach operating temperature within the PCM's expected time window, and P0128 is stored. How to fix it? Check the coolant reservoir with the engine cold. The fluid should sit between the minimum and maximum marks on the side of the tank. Top off with the coolant type specified in your owner's manual. Inspect under the vehicle for any visible coolant leaks. A bottle of proper coolant costs between $8 and $20. Stuck open EGR valve. The exhaust gas recirculation valve routes a small portion of exhaust back into the intake during normal driving. Its job is to close completely during warm-up so the engine can heat up quickly. When the valve sticks in the open position, cool exhaust dilutes the intake charge during warm-up and delays engine warming. The result is a slow warm-up and a stored P0128 code. How to fix it? Locate the EGR valve on the intake manifold or exhaust crossover. Remove it and inspect the valve face and port for heavy carbon buildup, keeping it open. Clean both surfaces with carbon cleaner and a wire brush. Confirm the valve closes fully when unpowered. A replacement EGR valve costs between $40 and $120 depending on the vehicle. Extreme cold weather. In very cold climates, the engine has a harder time reaching operating temperature, especially during short trips. The PCM expects the engine to warm up within a set time window based on ambient temperature. When the outside temperature is extremely low and the vehicle is driven only short distances, the engine may never reach the temperature threshold. P0128 is stored as a false positive in these conditions. How to fix it? In cold climates, allow the engine to warm up fully before short trips. A grill block or engine block heater helps the engine retain warmth. Clear the code and observe whether it returns during warmer weather. If it only appears in winter and cycles back to normal in warmer months. The problem is ambient temperature rather than a mechanical failure. Air trapped in the cooling system. Coolant flows through a sealed system and must stay free of air pockets to transfer heat efficiently. Its job is to maintain continuous contact with engine surfaces without interruption. When air gets trapped inside the system after a coolant change, hose repair, or leak, those air pockets disrupt heat transfer and delay warm-up. The PCM detects the slow temperature rise and stores P0128. How to fix it? With the engine cold, Remove the radiator cap and fill the coolant reservoir to the maximum mark. Start the engine with the cap off and let it idle with the heater set to maximum for 10 minutes. Bleed air from the bleeder, screws on the thermostat housing if equipped. Top off as the level drops. This removes most trapped air pockets. Incorrect thermostat installed. Every engine is designed for a specific thermostat temperature rating, typically 180 or 195 degrees Fahrenheit. Its job is to open at the exact rated value to match engine design. When a wrong temperature thermostat is installed, such as one that opens too early, the engine cannot reach the correct operating temperature. P0128 is stored despite the cooling system working properly. This is common after a repair using the wrong part. How to fix it? Verify the thermostat opening temperature rating matches your engine specification. The correct rating is printed on the original thermostat or listed in the service manual. Install the correct thermostat and refill the coolant system. A correct thermostat costs between $8 and $25. Always double-check the part number before installation.